Hi, I'm Maya Wilson. Today I'm going to show you how to make Alaska king crab avocado toast from my new cookbook, the Alaska from Scratch Cookbook, which is available wherever books are sold. Avocado toast is super popular. We put an Alaska spin on it. We are going to use gorgeous, succulent Alaska king crab. A lot of people can be intimidated by Alaska king crab, but you really don't need to be. It's very easy to work with. You want to show this guy who's boss. You're in charge, so just cover it with a cloth so the shell doesn't fly all over the place. Just hammer at it, and then trim, and you just want to pull that meat out, and that is going to be amazing. Avocados are a complete luxury in Alaska. They don't grow here. You really want a nice ripe one so that it's easy for mashing with a fork. And we have some beautiful toasted bread here. Then we're gonna pull in our king crab. And you wanna pile it on there so it's beautiful and get some height on it. And finish that with some chives, then fresh lemon juice. And there you have it. Alaska king crab avocado toast.